Hi everyone and welcome. Today let's make small meringue cakes with lemon sauce and fresh strawberries. The meringue is crunchy, sweet, and little sticky inside. The lemon sauce gives a nice contrast to the sweetness and dryness of the cake. There is no flour to use for this dessert, and it is easy to make from scratch. First, let's set the oven to heat to 110 degrees Celsius or 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert parchment paper or a silicone baking mat in a baking tray and dust it with some powdered sugar. Let's put in a bowl 2 egg whites and start beating them with an electric mixer on lower speed at first. Leave the egg yolks for the lemon sauce, which we will make later. Then gradually, while beating the egg whites, let's add 100 grams of sugar. When all the sugar has been mixed in, let's also add half a teaspoon of lemon or lime juice and continue beating the egg whites. Gradually, we increase the speed of the mixer. We need the egg whites to be very stiff, so it will take a few minutes. Now the egg white batter looks ready. It is very firm, thick, and glossy. Let's put the egg white batter in a piping bag and shape our meringue balls on the baking tray. I am putting the batter in a spiral, starting in the center and up on the outer side edges to form a small bowl. If you do not have a piping bag, you can use a spoon to put the egg white batter on the tray and shape the mids of the bowls a bit lower than the outside. Now let's put the meringues in the oven to bake at a low temperature for 90 minutes. There will not be much visual change while they're baking. They should not change color. They will just dry out. After 90 minutes, turn the oven off, prop the oven door open slightly with a wooden spoon, and let the meringue balls dry for at least 8 hours or overnight. Now I will prepare the lemon sauce or lemon curd so that tomorrow I can just assemble the cakes before eating them. I will make more lemon sauce than needed for the 8 meringue balls and store it in a jar for something else. You can make half of the amount to use only for the meringue cakes. First, I wash and zest 1 lemon and squeeze lemon juice. We need 100 grams of lemon juice. We will make lemon sauce in a water bath, so let's put a small pot with a bit of water on the stove and get the water to boil. On top of the pot, let's put a bowl. The bottom of the bowl should not reach the water. Let's reduce the stove temperature so that the water keeps heating the bowl but does not boil and splash. And let's put in the bowl 100 grams of lemon juice, 150 grams of sugar, 50 grams of unsalted butter, 2 egg yolks, and the lemon zest. Stir and let it simmer till the sauce thickens a bit. For me, it takes about 10 minutes. I will not cook it very long as I don't want the sauce to be very thick. It will still harden a little when it cools down and is in the fridge. The longer you cook it, the harder it will become when it's cold. Let's remove the bowl from the stove and let the sauce cool. When it cools, I will transfer it to a jar and put it in the fridge. Now it's time to assemble the small cakes. The meringue balls have nicely dried. And the lemon curd has thickened a little and will be a nice sauce for the sweet meringue. I will use fresh strawberries to put on top of the cakes. You can use any berries you like. First, I put about a teaspoon of the lemon sauce in the bowl and cut and assemble the strawberries on top. If you wish, you can drizzle additional sauce on top over the berries. Assemble the cake shortly before eating, as if they keep long with the sauce and berries on top, the liquids will make the meringue collapse. Enjoy the little cakes and see you next week. Bye!